I've compiled a list with 12 shadow questions that you can ask yourself. These are thought-provoking shadow questions that can help you gain deeper insight into yourself and your life. I suggest you take your time with a journal and peaceful and quiet place. Maybe put on some music or just listen to this video and pause it whenever there comes a question, and then you answer it as good as you can. What are the beliefs or thoughts that hold me back from achieving my goals? What are the toxic patterns in my life that I need to break to move forward? What am I scared of? How has this fear held me back in the past? What are the things that I do that sabotage my own success and happiness? What are the things in my life that I need to let go of to move forward and grow? What are the things that I'm not doing that I should be doing to achieve my goals? If I had all the resources in the world, what would I be doing differently? What are the things in my life that I need to forgive myself for in order to move forward? What are some of the things I'm avoiding that I need to face head on to grow? What are the things in my life that I need to prioritize in order to live a more fulfilling life? What is the ultimate purpose of my life, and how can I live in alignment with? So there you have the questions. Remember that in self-reflection, it's an ongoing process. So continue to explore these questions and use them as a tool for personal growth. As always, be kind to yourself as you navigate this journey. I wish you a happy reflection time. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you in the next video.